How to manifest financial abundance using quantum physics. This is what we're going to talk about today, and I'm going to teach you some quick methods on how to access the quantum world. All right, so let's begin. So what is quantum physics? Okay, there's a lot of complexity about quantum mechanics. We hear it all everywhere now, and it's kind of a difficult subject for many to understand, but this is all you need to know, and I'm going to show you right now. All right, number one, quantum physics is basically the science that shows us how everything comes into existence. Your cat, your house, your car, everything that comes into existence we see with our physical eyes, quantum physics explains it through the elementary particles theories of how things come into our reality, right? So it's a science that shows you how things comes into our existence, right? So you have to understand that component. Now there's another aspect you want to understand. It's known as Newtonian physics. So a few hundred years ago we have Isaac Newton, right? The apple fell from the tree and he said gravity, and then so we were using Newtonian physics up until about 150 years ago when we discovered the atom and how it works, and we changed. But Newtonian physics basically state that everything you see is physically real and it's set. Now quantum physics came along and we know now that's not true. Okay, so you and I, flesh and bone, cells, break our cells down, we get molecules. Break the molecules down, we get the atom. Okay, the atom is basically a frequency or an energy vibration. Okay, it's an energy source. The atom represents what we call a state of potential existence. Okay, so that means everything you want or anything you desire is in a state of potential existence. That's what the atom represents. That's what those particles say. Okay, so it becomes from a state of probability, or what we say, we collapse the wave. The term we use when you collapse the wave, when you put your attention on something or your intention, then you turn that energy into something that you think or you see as material. Okay, or perceived material. That's quantum physics. Now, how can you use this to create abundance or to manifest abundance in your life? Okay, well, it's in correlation with your subconscious mind. Okay, your subconscious mind knows the quantum cheat code. It can decode from the quantum world. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So in quantum physics, okay, now we know the universe exists in terms of these energetic or vibrational patterns and frequencies. So a vibration is your feelings. How you feel determines the elevation or level of your vibration. The frequency is already emitted in the universe. It's there already in some form. For example, when you feel good or happy, you raise your vibration, and then now you attach it to a frequency of feeling good and happy. Now what happens is, now because your attention is on that, you collapse the wave, right? The quantum form from a probability of existence or potential of existence to something tangible, and then you attract that into your reality. The attraction and the decodation comes from your subconscious mind. So your subconscious mind taps into the quantum world, translates the information, and then puts it into something that you can experience. That's how powerful your subconscious mind is, right? So quantum physics is basically the understanding that you have the power given to you through your brain, your mind, your consciousness, to basically play with this world, or this quantum world, to attract whatever you desire. That's the first key now to understand. So you will have to believe and have the acceptance and awareness that this is the new science. This is how it works. We have experiments, we can prove that. So that's the first key now if you want to use quantum physics to create. You must believe or know. And the good news is the science is out there to back that up, so the belief becomes very easy now, all right? Okay, now you have to know the coded language to use to activate the subconscious mind to bring abundance to your life. All right, and here's how you do it. You're going to use images and you're going to use an affirmation. I'm going to show you how to do them right now. Now remember, your subconscious mind is what? A question answer generator. It must always answer your question as an experience. Your conscious mind is also a question and answer generator. It's a little different. It answers your questions through logic. It can't create. So that's important. Your subconscious always answers your questions through your experiences or your reality. So if you want to, anything you want to change in your life, you must see the after effect of it as an image. So it's a two-step process. See the after effect as an image, and then give the coded language to your subconscious mind. Here's an example. You'll say this, okay? What would my life look like as a successful business owner? What would my life look like with $5,000 in my bank account? What would my life look like with $10 million in my bank account? What would my life look like with my perfect mate? What would my life look like as a lottery jackpot millionaire? Let's get the point here. What would my life look like as a successful investor? Okay, so notice I used the words, what would my life look like? I didn't say what would my life be as. It's very important because, again, coded language. Now when I say the words look, that's a message. Look, image, subconscious mind, that's my subconscious mind language. Now I look. And then when I say look, I attach in the image. I see what my life would look like. I say, okay, what would it look like if I have this? Or that you have that. And then put the image there. Now you activate that subconscious mind to interact with the quantum world. Now quantum physics comes into play because now you know that the atom of your desire is there in this state or wave or probability of existence. Once you do that we call mantra, affirmation, and image, you collapse the wave. Now it becomes a definite thing. And remember, the subconscious mind must answer your question as experience, guys. Right? So that's the power of how I use quantum physics with abundance, with anything. So to wrap it up, let me go back. Key component, number one, you must believe and have the awareness that this is how the universe works. Science is there to back that up. Number two, the coded language, the right questions. Subconscious mind only acts with the right questions, okay? And number three, the after effect or the thought or the image of your desires unfolded afterwards. That's how you can use quantum physics to manifest financial abundance. All right? So there you go. Now you can use that to your advantage, and now you see how powerful you are because your consciousness controls that quantum field of energy. So that's the basic about quantum mechanics. You know, it's a lot deeper and more complex things, but that's all you need to know to make it work in your life. You don't have to become a PhD or you don't have to know the exact science of how it works. You just have to know how it works to help you, and I just provided that for you right there. And once you do this, it must become repetitive every day, every day, every day. You will gradually see the improvements and the results. Okay, that's what you call building momentum. All right, and I'll put the link to my Facebook group below. You guys can take advantage of it. Excellent group, high vibration, and also various products and materials to help you build awareness so that you can create abundance. Coaching programs, audios, all these things are there on the website. I'll put a link below. Check them out. Use the information to build your awareness to help you so that you can become an aware creator. And now you know how reality works, and now you see how the power of quantum physics. So let me say something very important just before we go. Got to remember, okay? Everything exists as potentiality of existence. It's already there. It's when you put your attention, the intention, and then using the correct language format for your subconscious, you collapse that wave. And you can use this for any part in your life. All right? So there you go. Okay, guys? Thank you so much, and I'll be back again. I'll put some more insightful contents, and I'll help you. And also, if you have contents or questions or some topics you'd like me to make videos on to help you, go ahead and post them, and I'll start doing that because I seem to get a lot of questions about so many different topics and things individuals need help with. I'll create some videos so that I can enlighten you and I'll help you. All right, guys, thank you, and I'll see you again.